Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video we discussed about conditions and if-else loop. In this video we are going to discuss about Elifs clearly with example. Let's get started. If you remember this example in the previous video, I am taking input from the user and check the condition I am to print positive or negative. We write a code to check the given number is positive or negative in the previous video. But what if user give neither positive or non-negative number 0? Let me show this with by executing. I'm saving this and I'm opening my command prompt. Okay. See. My program there. I'm already in my directory. Asking for number. User gives positive number, it print positive. If user gives negative number, it gives negative. If user gives neither positive nor negative number, like 0, it print negative because it check the condition here 0 is greater than 0, it is false, that's why I enter it else block and it print negative. But it is not right. 0 is neither negative nor positive, it is not negative number, right? So user don't know what happened in backend in program. So user think our application don't have all features and our application is not good as expected. So as a programmer we have to solve this issue by writing code. To solve this we have to write another condition. So as usually if number is equal to 0, print neither negative nor positive. If you write like this will give an issue. This will not print correctly. Let me show this. Okay, I'm giving a positive number, it print positive and negative 2, so it is not correct, right? Why? Because if I'm getting number as 1 greater than 0, it is 2, that's why it go to positive. And it will not stop here, it will come below and check 1 is equal to 0. It is false, so it come to else block and print negative also, so it is not correct. So here we use Elif to solve this. This is very simple. Type Elif here. Elif number is equal to 0, print neither negative nor positive. Now it will work correctly. Save this and I'm going to run in my CMD. Okay. Now check. If I give positive number, it will print positive. Now I am giving 0 neither nor negative. If I give negative number, print negative. This is Elif. Python combines else and if and compares to as Elif. Now see the syntax of Elif. If and condition. If condition is true, it will go inside the if and execute the statements inside the if. If condition false, it will come to Elif and check the condition there. If the condition is true, it execute the statement inside the Elif. If the condition is false, it will come to else block. We have freedom to write how many Elifs we want as per our requirement. Let's see the block diagram of Elif to understand clearly. This is the block diagram of Elif. Test expression of if test expression is true, body of if is executed. If test expression is false, test expression of Elif is checked, and if test expression in another expression is checked and test expression of Elif is true, body of Elif is executed. Else test expression of Elif is false, execute the body of else. Like this it's execute. Let me explain with a simple example. Let me take my program and I am going to write a code for printing the day as user enter the number. If user enter 0, it's Sunday. And if user enter 1, will print Monday. And if user enter 2, will print Tuesday. Like this, it will go print. Like this, it will going to print. I'm going to write code for this by using this Elif. So let's actually start. So I'm taking a number from the user in input. I'm making a prompt, enter a number. Okay, and I'm going to write if n is equal to 0. This is Sunday. So print Sunday. Right. Now Elif n is equal to 1. It is Monday. Right. I'm going to copy this and bit lazy. I'm going to paste this how many times I want. If n is equal to 2, it is Tuesday. If n is equal to 3, it is Wednesday. If n is equal to 4, it is Thursday. That's right. If n is equal to 5, this is Friday. If n is equal to 6, this is Saturday. If user enters an invalid number like any other number than 0 to 6, then we are going to print invalid. And please enter a valid number. Right. Okay, I'm going to save this. I'm going to execute in my CMD. I'm going to clear this and program to.py. See, it is asking for a number. If I enter 3, print Wednesday. If I enter 5, print Friday. If I enter 6, print Saturday. If I enter other than anything, if I enter 9, it asks invalid, please enter a valid number. I think you are clear with Elif. That's it for this video, friend. See you in next video. If you like my video, please hit the like button. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.